Hi, I'm WhiteFeather Hunter. I'm an artist in residence at Cultivemos Cultura and a visiting researcher at the Institute of Molecular Medicine. This is a partnership that has allowed me to bring my project into a laboratory context and advance some research that I had started last year. My project is called The Pussification of Biotech, and essentially I'm working with my own stem cells that I have extracted from my menstrual fluid. Because this is such an under-researched material, because it comes from a taboo body fluid, there's a lot of room for me to experiment and discover new things about how these cells work. And this allows me to negotiate some new creative outputs for my research. One of the things that I'm doing while I'm here at Cultivemos Cultura is looking at how I can manipulate these cells through a process called cell differentiation. So I take the stem cells and I test them with different biochemicals called growth factors, and those growth factors will influence what type of cell these stem cells can become. So what I'm interested in the most right now is differentiating these stem cells into neuronal types. So the types of cells that are throughout our brains, there are many different types. As I've been here over the weeks, I've been testing these different growth factors with my cells to see how they respond, how they might change shape, how they might change behavior, motility, or the way that they move around in a petri dish. So I've had some interesting results. Not necessarily the results that I wanted to see, but that's also really important information. So what will happen with these cells once they become neuronal types is that they will then be put into a gel in a 3D bioprinter and printed into an organoid shape, specifically a clitoris.